Hey there! Are you migrating from a similar review app or have reviews on different platforms? Well, I have good news. Stamped allows you to import reviews outside the platform and even from your local PC. For that, you can easily prepare a CSV file, format it, and upload it to Stamped. In this video, we're going to discuss how to import reviews exported from a generic source. If you're migrating from any other review system, you can migrate with even fewer steps. Simply take a look at this article and the link will be posted in the description below. Now let's begin by getting that CSV template. Go to Get Started, select Import Reviews into Stamped, and then you'll find a download link to the file below. Now we recommend using Google Sheets to edit the CSV file. Simply upload it to your Google Drive and open the file with the Google Sheet application. Once you open the CSV file, you should see some sample data. For demo purposes, I've already added some reviews to my sheet. Make sure you fill in the details of the reviews in the same format as the sample template. You can always remove this information later. Now, something important to note is the format of the date column. Ensure the date is using the following format that you see on your screen here. You can update the date column by selecting the column, going to Format, Number, and then you can select the correct date format. Also, make sure your product's ID is added correctly. You can refer to this documentation here that outlines all the required fields, examples, and where to get the information. Now let's go ahead and get that CSV file to upload into your Stamped.io dashboard. Simply select File, Download, and select the CSV format. Alright, we're almost there. Head on over to your dashboard, go to Settings, Importer, Reviews, and then you're going to upload your file. Select Custom, select the file, mine's in my download folder, and upload. There we go. We have successfully imported 4 reviews. Now let's check my website to see if the reviews are reflected. Here I had 8 reviews. Refresh. And now we have 11. All right, awesome. We have successfully imported reviews. Now, as we wrap this up, let me share with you 2 tips. Let's say, for example, you do not want a review to be published on import. Let's say, for example, it has a low rating. You can simply change the status of that review to false. This will prevent the review from being published upon import. Now, let's say you want to include the location of your country. You can simply add the country code to the locations column. US, India, UK, Canada, and so forth. And with that, we conclude this tutorial. Now, if you're having any issues importing your CSV file, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at hello@stamped.io. If you have any other videos you'd like to see, do reach out to us. Thank you for choosing Stamped.io as we continue to help increase your brand loyalty and accelerate your brand growth.